So today I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable location services on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. So the first thing you need to do is from the watch face, just swipe up, okay? And that reveals the main apps page. Look for the settings icon, tap on it, and then scroll down on the main settings page until you get to location. Tap on that, and then at the top of that page you do have this switch, and that's basically to enable and disable location. Okay, so currently it's disabled, that's why it says off here. To enable location, turn it on here. Now with location enabled, you can also go further and give specific apps specific permissions on whether they can access or not access your location. So tap on app permissions, and then you should see your apps. So you can scroll and see which apps are allowed to access location. So you have the ones that are allowed all the time, which is Bixby, Google Play services, and health services. And then you have the ones that are allowed only while in use. You have Google Assistant there. And then you have the ones that ask every time. We have Maps there. And then you have these apps that are not allowed. So if you want to allow a certain app to access your location, for instance, Strava, tap on it, and then you can choose either while using the app or ask every time or don't allow. So for me, I'll just choose while using the app, and I want it to use precise location because of tracking my runs and my cycling. Okay. So there are apps that you might want to grant access to your precise location, and others just general location. Okay, so if you look at an app like Samsung Health, you can also choose while using the app, and then this one doesn't have to access your precise location, or maybe it does when it's tracking your activities with your Galaxy Watch. So it varies from app to app, but that's basically how to allow or how to enable and disable location on your Galaxy Watch 6. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.